Great. Good evening, everyone, and thanks for the opportunity to share some comments. If COVID has taught us anything, is that no one individual entity has all the answers. Up until this point, decisions made in education as a result of COVID have been made based on the collective voices of health experts, federal and local officials, elected officials, occasionally families, and some teachers. These decision makers have weighed in on the best way to tackle the shift to remote learning and recently schools reopening. As a former vocational educator, as well as a parent, this really concerns me and it begs the question, what about students who also have to endure the inevitable consequences of these decisions? Where's their voice and who is valuing it? They're the ones inside the classrooms. The science and the evidence has been there for years. The CDC has published the benefits of outdoor education, more recreation, and it seems that the state board, council, OSCE, everyone has ignored these facts. And yet the academic performance of a lot of students have suffered, particularly those students in Ward 7 and Ward 8. And so, as mentioned, school performance increases, it's healthy. Look at the obesity rate. Does anyone care about that? The stress levels that it would decrease from students as well as teachers. It's fun. That's a huge component with learning, making it fun for students. It instills a sense of civic attitude and behaviors. I would imagine if we had more outdoor learning opportunities, we would probably have less students in ISS. And so when you have resources in a district like the Arboretum, 446 acres, aquatic gardens, it's just no reason not to have this. And so I would ask that this board look to, give students a voice and allow them to express their concerns and advocate for what they think they also may need to change. Thanks for the opportunity.